This delicious black pepper fried noodle recipe you must share out with your family. Recipe is so easy too. It's also a good choice to swap rice for noodles occasionally. Let's fried noodle together. Ingredients are bell peppers, onion, mushrooms, and noodle. Sliced bell peppers. Sliced mushrooms. Sliced onion. Cook noodle until softened. Once noodle is cooked, drain and sprinkle with cooking oil and mix well. Crack eggs into bowl and beat until frothy. Scramble egg and set aside. Stir-fry onion until translucent. Mushroom slices. Bell peppers. One tablespoon black pepper sauce. Pour half full soup broth. One teaspoon dark soy sauce to add color. Add noodle and fried evenly. seasoning with 1 teaspoon light soy sauce to taste. Add fried egg and mix well. Noodle is done. Plate it. Ready to eat. Smell amazingly good. This fried noodle recipe is so easy and delicious. Look at the noodles. You must save this recipe to cook at home. I'll share easy recipes, all recipes suitable for all of you whom love easy cooking, yeah. Because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? I often use the same ingredients for variations, suitable for small families to cook with 1 ingredient. Come up with 2 or even 3 different dishes. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks in advance too. Please follow me and like my video, yeah. Let's cook Sichuan vegetable, steamed pomfret today. This dish is easy and delicious. The fish is tasty and Sichuan vegetables taste goes well with it too. Let's start cooking now. Prepare ginger and Sichuan pickle. Sliced ginger. The purpose of adding ginger is to remove the fishy smell. Sliced Sichuan pickles. You may soak Sichuan pickle to remove saltiness. White pomfrets. Drizzle shaoxing wine and rub salt evenly on fish. Garnish with ginger sliced and Sichuan pickles slices. Steam for 8 minutes. Drizzly light soy sauce after 8 minutes. Then cover the lid and simmer for another 2 minutes. Drizzle sesame oil upon served. You can smell the fragrance of Sichuan pickle and fish aroma. White pomfret is rich in unsaturated fatty acids. It has the effect of lowering cholesterol. It contains trace elements of selenium and magnesium, which can effectively delay the aging of the body and prevent the occurrence of cancer. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Do share this delicious recipe with your friends and family too. Let's fry hand-shredded cabbage today. A delicious hand-shredded cabbage should be slightly red in color. I've skipped to season with black vinegar, not to follow traditional hand-shredded cabbage recipe. It is same tasty and I love it. Ingredients are cabbage and dried chilies. Soak and soften dried chilies, then cut into small pieces. Hand-shredded cabbage. Wash and drain, then set aside. Heat oil. Add salt and stir-fry the dried chili peppers at high temperature until fragrant. Dried red peppers and garlic must be simmered in the pot so that the aroma of garlic and chili can be brought out, and the flavor goes well with the cabbage. Add cabbage and stir-fry. Light soy sauce 1 teaspoon. Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. Optional to add sugar and black vinegar to taste. Stir-fry 30 seconds and it's done. Plate it and hand-shredded cabbage is done. Look at the cabbage color. This is the color it should have. Perfect fry cabbage. The cabbage should smell spicy with dried chili pepper fragrant and is a bit raw with gravy on it. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. This recipe is tasty with only light soy sauce. It is slightly spicy, hence spicy level to adjust per own preference. Do share out this delicious recipe with your friends and family too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.